Conditional statements. Conditional statements in Java are control structures that allow your program to make decisions and execute different blocks of code based on specified conditions. They enable your program to take different paths depending on whether a certain condition is true or false. The primary conditional statements in Java are 1. If statement. The if statement is a basic conditional statement that allows you to execute a block of code if a specified condition is true. Syntax. Here if condition is true, it enters into the if block. Example. Here x value is greater than 5, so the condition returns true and enters in the if block. 2. If-else statement. The if-else statement extends the if statement by providing an alternative block of code to execute when the condition is false. Syntax. Here look out the syntax. We write code for both the conditions like if it is true and also for false. Example. In this example we have given x value 3, so it prints as per the condition. If the condition is true, then it prints x is less than or equal to 5, and if it is false, it prints x is greater than 5. 3. Switch statement. The switch statement provides a way to select one of many code blocks to be executed. Syntax. Look at the syntax properly. Example. Here in this example, condition lies inside the switch block. If it matches with condition, then it prints its respective content, or else it prints default case. These conditional statements provide the foundation for making decisions in Java programs, allowing you to create flexible and dynamic code that responds to different situations. Depending on the condition specified, the program can selectively execute specific blocks of code, enhancing the logic and decision-making capabilities of your Java applications. See you again. Thank you.